Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. You are welcome back. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel in case if you are new. So I want to say something because few weeks ago, if not a month now, we saw what happened between VeryDarkMan and Big Lord is an Igbo guy. Many of you know him. If you don't know him, please you can check him out. Lord is someone that many people know, kind of an influencer. He's into crypto and he's very, very rich to his own level, you understand? But Lord and Very Dark Man, I don't know their problem. I don't know what Very Dark Man, have with him. I don't know their beef and anything at all. But why I'm making this video because of what happened then. And some of our Igbo brothers were happy with the Very Dark Man, saying that hey, he's serving well because that he did well. That some people are those importers are escorting money from Nigerians. That the Igbo people are escorting money from Nigerians and all that. Which I said yes. I'm not in support of anybody escorting money from any other person. I'm not in support of that. But the way I'm seeing Very Dark Man, what he's doing, that is more or less like he's attacking Igbo people. And that message, not from me, because many other people share the same view with me. And somehow the message got to him. And he made a reply where he said that it's not about Igbos, that some people, that the way Lord made that advert, because everything centered on the phone, okay? Because I don't want to start going through all these things. But let me just, remind you a little bit. Lord made an advert calling for people to come and buy one iPhone from him like that. And he said that the phone will cost you, I think, 400,000 or 500,000. I forgot the amount. Then this guy said he was in China then, being very dark man. He said that the price of the phone is too inexpensive to compare the quality that here in China, he can get it as cheap as 200 and something. So to cut the long story short, they started going back and forward and all that. So after everything, this guy Very Dark Man was, presenting himself and his own story, marketing himself, because then he was not selling any phone. But because of the beef he had with Lord, he wanted to destroy Lord business. But now, you see, that thing started with Lord and him, right? You can see where the whole thing is going on. It's about targeting Igbo people's business. He was actually trying to venture into motor, selling of cars. I don't like the way they're selling cars in Nigeria, like it's too expensive for people to afford and all that, I understand. But let us be real. If you want to condemn the price of goods and services in Nigeria, then you need to talk about the government of the day, the economy and everything, the way they put, because Nigeria is not controlled by Igbo people. Some people are in the helm of affair, escorting money in the name of punishing Igbo people. Why escorting that money? Do you expect a businessman to just fold hand without adding all these expenses? For example, if you are not an importer, you go to Lagos and buy something to sell down in the east, which those things you are buying in Lagos are mainly imported to the country by Igbo people who ended up in Lagos because that's where you have only seaport. Do you understand it? Because the government made it so. They want every tax and revenue to be generated for Lagos government, while the Lagos government will be demolishing Igbo people's business. Then you went there to buy those goods. You now travel, convey it back to east. On the road, you have to pay settle Fulanis in army and police, mobile police on the road. You have to pay this and pay that in a very bad death trap road. You manage to risk your life. You come down, spend this, days. Sometimes they stay overnight, simply because the road is too bad, the hold up and traffic, everything is there. So after coming back, that time and the effort they spent to convey it down to east, the price of the goods will go up more than what they normally more than the price in Lagos and other things. So when you compare all those things, and you end up paying for the shop and warehouse where you're going to keep these goods, then you have to pay workers, you have to pay transportation and everything. Then when you check all those things, you see the product that normally that's supposed to be affordable, the price will not go up. Now, the Very Dark Man ignored all those things and started preaching that people are that the importers and they are escorting money from Nigerians. When you hear that, it sounds good, as if he cares about Nigerians, right? But where the whole thing is going is Igbo people. Because remember, as long as Nigeria is set up the way it is today, Igbos are the most vulnerable people in Nigeria. There's no way you will survive in Nigerian circle without business as an Igbo man. When you try politics, it's not there. When you try to venture into investment, maybe building company or your own private sector, you have to run energy. The cost of energy in Nigeria is too expensive. You want to be using lista or generator to generate electricity to power that your firm for your firm or anything at all. You will spend more money on fuel. Do you understand? At the end of the day, the turnover will be very low. Still go back to the government. Government are not the helping matter. VeryDarkMan, who claimed that he knows the problem and he's fighting for justice and all that, he understands it. Please, before you misunderstand me, I appreciate his work in terms of running out to help people that are being, trapped and all that. That's very good. But let us not just because of that and ignore for the fact that the way he's doing things now and what he's doing now seems to me that he's actually helping those who want to craft Igbo business down, who want to step on Igbo people. Remember the voice of current Vice President Shetima, with one Yoruba man in the past, where they talked about what they will do to Igbo people in Lagos before even this demolition, before Tinubu emerged as president. That was Buhari's regime. There was a trending voice note that trended that time, and it's all about David Ojo was all about what they're going to do to Igbo people, which they are not doing. So if you check all those things, you ask yourself, what is the motive of VeryDarkMan? What is his agenda? Like, I'm asking a genuine question. I've told you that I appreciate some of the things he's doing. Some of the things that he's doing and helping people is good. But this issue of importation and all these things, I see it as an attack on Igbo people. I may be wrong, but I would like to just tell me what to think about it. I have argued this with one of our sisters, and she was of opinion that it is good what VeryDarkMan is doing, what he did to Pilot and all that is good. That there was a video that some Igbo people gathered and were discussing about it. I laughed because some of us don't think deep on some of. If you want to, if you want to have your beef between Pilot should be between you and him. But the moment you begin to say that there's cutting money and all that, without you going into the business to understand what it takes, is laughable. And some people will helping him to package goods and buying it and saving some, running around to help VeryDarkMan in the name of you are just a good loyal citizen and all that. Okay. My prayer to you with him is long may it last, because I don't see it lasting. Here, this video you are seeing here, you are going to understand a little bit, even if you don't understand what I said now, maybe what I'm saying and I'm talking out of point, you don't want to agree with me. Now, watch this and tell me what you make of from this video.
I be Igbo. They don't know that one though. Mua, Boni Igbo.
Everything my phone.
For business, Mua Boni Igbo. Mua Boni Igbo. Afambu Obinna. Afambu Obinna. One day, Obinna.
Obinna.
The funniest part is they don't know I actually understand Igbo very well. I'm Igbo, brother. I'm Yoruba. I'm Hausa. One day,
Obinna.
Now, what do you make out from this video? What do you understand from that? Did you hear him saying that I am Pilot? He's talking as to what? Igbo, right? Hear it again. Let us analyze it just a little bit before we end the video. Watch.
I be Igbo.
I am Igbo, not I am Pilot. So all this you are doing is about Igbo. You get it? Please get sense. So all this is all about Igbo, no longer Pilot. I am Igbo. Targeting a tribe. Now, listen.
They don't know that one though. Mua, Boni Igbo.
Everything my phone.
I see it as a mockery. More boy Igbo. That means, oh, you guys think that only you know how to do business. When it comes to business, I am Igbo. What does that tell you? Goes to the attack or against Igbo people. I don't want to force any wrong narrative to you, because to you, maybe I'm wrong, but I know that what I'm saying, I'm right. You have your opinion, I have my opinion, and I have shown to you why. If he had it been that he's just directing his attack to be Lord alone, okay, no problem. Men can have issue, between each other. I'm not against it. But when you push it, when you move from being Lord now to Igbo, that's why I have issue with you.
For business.
You see, for business, I am Igbo for business. I am Igbo for business. That's a very wrong, very wrong move from him.
Mua Boni Igbo. Mua Boni Igbo. Afambu Obinna.
That's a mockery. As long as for business, I am more Igbo. You're showing us the phone that you purchased and all that. So you're actually not doing this because you want to earn money, maybe you want to do business. No, you are doing it to prove to what Fulani woman said. The Fulani woman said that you guys, Igbos they're not offering Nigerians nothing. That what they offer Nigerians is just only, escorting money importation, and that the Yorubas can do it. Is that what Yorubas cannot do? Is that Yorubas can do it and Hausa can do it and all that? Okay. Then go and do it then. Why are you complaining online? Go and do it. So VeryDarkMan see that as, oh, Igbo people think they have, then I can do it. But the one you purchase now, did you deal with that Igbo man? No, you have to. You have to link up with the Igbo person to do it. You can do it alone though. But after doing it, you have body pain, don't you? Try it and see.
Afambu Obinna. One Obinna.
Obina.
Obinna.
But the guy that is calling him Obinna and him himself, they don't understand Igbo language. You can see the accent. He said that he even said here that they don't know that he understands Igbo very well. That's a lie from pit of hell. I have watched your video in the past where you said that you don't understand Igbo very well, that you understand Hausa and Yoruba very well, but you a little touch of Igbo. So you say that you understand Igbo very well now is a lie. Igbo language is one of the most difficult languages to learn. If you don't know it. It's one of the most difficult for people who are not Igbo, not like us that are well-grounded Igbo. We understand it very well. But you trying to lie and pretend that you understand it is laughable.
The funniest part is they don't know I actually understand Igbo very well. I'm Igbo.
You don't.
I'm Yoruba. I'm Hausa.
Now he want to please other tribe. The reason why he emphasized on him understanding Yoruba, he's Hausa, he's Yoruba. He's trying to tell you that I'm everything, but so don't you guys think you guys are special. It's no longer between Big Lord and him. It's now between him and people, which I don't think is what he actually wish to do, because he knows what he knows the outcome. He understands it very, very well. He understands it very, very well. So please tell me what you think about it. I just want to share this with us. I would like to know what you think about it. Do you agree or disagree with him? What is your take? What is your take from what he said now? Do you believe that what he's doing now, what is his own action, that he's right or he's wrong? I want to hear from you. Make sure you like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. Subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Bye-bye for now. Take care.